Good afternoon, this is Jonathan with the National Weather Service here in Norman with a quick severe weather briefing regarding severe storm potential this afternoon and evening. Okay, so what can you expect this afternoon? Well, isolated thunderstorms will begin to develop around 3 to 4 p.m. in the Texas Panhandle, and then around 4 p.m. or so, those will start to move into far western Oklahoma, and then as we get into the late afternoon hours, early evening, those storms will form into a line and continue to move eastward across the rest of the state into central Oklahoma and into south central Oklahoma late tonight, probably after 10 p.m., between 10 and midnight. So what can you do right now? Well, the most important thing, and the thing we always stress, is to make sure that you have a severe weather safety plan, and then it is good to go right now. Also remember, don't be scared, be prepared. I know it sounds corny, but it is the most important thing you can do with regards to severe weather is to not be scared of it, but just be prepared. One of the best ways to be prepared is to continue to monitor the forecasts and information that come out of our office and local media outlets. Okay, so let's go ahead and cover timing for today's thunderstorms. There are currently at 2:30 p.m. some light showers that have developed along the Texas Panhandle Oklahoma border. Those will slowly kind of drift through the early afternoon hours here. But the most important time frame right now is between 4 and 6 p.m. Stronger thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms, will develop along a dry line that is surging eastward currently, which is around 2:30 p.m. Those storms, as they develop over the Texas Panhandle, will creep into and move into far western Oklahoma and portions of western North Texas between that 4 to 6 p.m. window. And then between 6 and 8 p.m., storms will continue to push eastward, and they will start to congeal kind of into a linear line segment, or a kind of a linear thunderstorm setup. And then between 8 and 10 p.m., that line of thunderstorms will continue to march eastward across the state. And between 10 p.m. and midnight, they should have cleared at least the central part of Oklahoma, into eastern Oklahoma, far south central Oklahoma as well. Okay, with regards to what to expect this afternoon, the first storms that move across the border will be capable of hail up to the size of golf balls or larger, and they will be capable of damaging wind gusts up to 65 miles an hour. As those storms start to congeal into a line, damaging wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour will be possible. Those will be very isolated events if they do occur, and hail up to the size of $50 will remain possible through the mid-evening hours. As we get into late tonight, kind of before basically 8 to 10 o'clock at night, continuing on through midnight, the storms continue to push off east. The severe threat will lessen significantly after sunset, but we'll still have some pretty good thunder around and lightning. So want to be aware of the lightning threat as well, as lightning is very dangerous for anyone working or playing outside. If you hear thunder, see lightning, make sure you go inside. Okay, so what should you do now? Just like we said before, don't be scared, be prepared. Make sure your severe weather safety plan is good to go. You should already have one. We've been covering this for quite a few weeks now to make sure you have a plan. Put that plan into action as soon as you find if a thunderstorm is moving into your area. And continue to monitor the forecast from our office and local media outlets through this afternoon and evening hours. Okay, with that said, I want to thank you again for logging on, listening to this quick weather briefing. Remember, for the most up-to-date and latest information, always go to our webpage at weather.gov/Norman. You can also like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.